Suppliers are concerned about making sure that they make a solid choice in longevity of a supplier. They want to make sure that they're having a partnership in terms of their supply base. We've grown about 60% in 2 years. Been around since 1965, so certainly the longevity at Manitowoc Tool is there. And certainly the growth that we've been experiencing between the facility additions, new equipment, new software. We're really trying to prove ourselves out there to make sure that we're in it for the long haul. When you choose a new supplier, you need to worry about the ability for a supplier to problem solve and take care of potential issues. Because it's not always about the price and the price that's on a piece of paper, but it's about the future. Because there's always going to be those unforeseen circumstances that pop up. And what you need is a company that has the experience, the expertise that's been around the block. Because they're the ones that have seen it before, know how to problem solve and apply it to your particular scenario. And that's how a vendor's true value goes beyond the price. And when it comes to a new project, new opportunities, finding ways to make it better, make it more economical, more efficient. While we're always going to be making sure that we follow specifications, make parts to print, we're going to be looking out for the long term and making sure that we take care of you. So we're not afraid to make suggestions. Look out for any sort of engineering, manufacturability type solutions that may be out there. We've developed some pretty in-depth relationships with the majority of our customers. And you know, that's just more or less the culture that we have here at Manitowoc Tool between the internal operations, but also through to our customer base. We like to have that relationship and build upon that relationship to make sure they know that we're in it for the long haul and we're going to be around for a long time, making sure to do a good job for them. So you're not buying a stamper, you're buying a partner.